Whether you like streaming music or just need a little help organising your to-do list, Google Home is a smart, affordable product that your family will love. Primarily a Wi-Fi speaker, it doubles as a smart home control hub, allowing you to tell Google to do things or even ask it questions like, "Hey Google, what's the standard height for installing a towel rail?"
The average height of a towel bar should be 48 inches from the floor. Do you want a little more context?
No thanks, that's fine. And that's just scratching the surface. Google can make everyday tasks easier, like checking the weather before you step out, or adding milk to your shopping list, calling an Uber hands-free. It also connects to smart devices around your home, allowing you to control lighting, heating, and even streaming music. It's easy to see why these things are so popular. Hey Google, turn off the lights.